Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Living Life. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a table in a HTML page as a web page. So let's just go straight into the coding. But first of all, this video is for learning purposes. Those of you who wish to use all these programming languages for hacking, I will advise strongly that you don't. So we're going to go into the basics today of creating a table. Then I'm going to add a little style into it. So let's go straight into our coding. So first of all, putting our document type. Sorry. First, always remember that document type should be typed in with capital letters. Then next, our HTML. Then next, we have our head, the end of head. Then we have the style. Okay. So if you're using Sublime Text like I'm using, it's going to bring this out completely for you. At the same time, if you're using Visual Studio Code, it's going to bring out the same thing. Now we'll put in something later into our style. So for now, let's go into our body. Then to make the writing bold, put in that B. Then start out our table. Now in our table, what we are going to put in a header first, a heading. We're going to use, let's say, h3. Now that h3 is going to contain, let's say, my table. Okay, then end of h3. Then we're going to put in start out our table. So put in table equals class equals table. So then end of table. So now in between this end of table tag, we're going to put in our table. So we'll start out with a heading. So we'll put in T head. So inside that T head, we're going to put in the first table head. We'll use the TH tag. Then we'll put in, let's say we want to put in our numbers. We'll put in S/N. Then end that. Another table head like me is going to have two headings. So we'll put another table head and we'll call that, let's say, music. So I'm going to put I'm literally creating a music list. So I'm putting only two. I will put a cover picture, but I really don't have any pictures for those music right now. Okay, so now that we're done with our table head, we're moving straight to what the table should contain. But we missed out something here. I'm supposed to put in a TR to symbolize that this is part of the table. Then here to end the TR. So next, we're going to create another TR. Sorry. Then enter. Oops. Okay. So inside that TR now we're going to put in what we want to be in there. So for the first table head, we'll put in TD as the table data. Then we'll put in our first, that is number 1, end of TD. Then our second table data for the next table head will be the name of the music. Possibly you can put in anything you like. Now this is how to put in a link. For those of you who don't know, ahref equals let's say we're going to www.pinterest.com. okay, this add this here, https. So now that we put in that, it's definitely going to go to Pinterest, but I have no internet connection for now. So next, to put in what we want as a name there. Maybe we can put in, let's say, Justin Bieber song, love yourself. So love yourself by Justin Bieber. Man, I love this guy. Trust me, I love this guy. Okay, so end our table link and end our table data. So if you're putting in anything else, you can just keep on adding as more table data as you can, which will fit into these table heads which you have created here. So save this. Next we go, okay, wait, we haven't finished one last thing. End of TR. Okay, so we save this, then end of B, end of body, end of HTML. Okay, then end of doc type. Control S to save. Now move to our browser and reload it. Okay, so we see that right here, look down at the bottom left, we see the address that's been written there. If we click on this, it will carry us to Pinterest, just assuming. But now if we want it to just be in plain text, we're going to have to remove this link. It's that simple. Then cancel out this A and save. Go there, reload. Okay, so it's no longer a link. Okay, so now I believe you guys may have seen that styling before. That first styling had some really cool colors. Now I'm going to put it in here for you guys to see how that styling is going to work. So what we're going to do here is for the body, so for the body to have color, we'll put in this, then background color light blue. Okay, next for the header, that's our H3, we put in this and put in background color and make it red. Then save that, go back, then reload, and voila, there we have it. Really colorful page. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Catch you guys on in my next video on living life. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share everything that you have. I'm just kidding. So as you can see here, for those of you who want to copy out this code, you can simply copy it out, leave it here on the screen for a few seconds. Let's say let's say 5 seconds. Yeah, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that time's up. So this is what you're going to have. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and keep the love coming. So I'll see you guys on my next video. So bye bye.